The immune system is the most complex biological system besides the human brain, yet not many of us actually learn how it works. But there is a war going on inside you right now. Not tomorrow, not when you're sick, right now. When bacteria slips past your skin, it basically thinks it's won the lottery. But the thing is, your blood isn't empty. Instead, it is armed. After what will happen, your body will be full of bacteria. You have cut your thumb on a dirty twig. The first soldier to arrive to your defense is called a macrophage. If a cell were the size of a human, then a macrophage would be the size of a black rhino, a good warrior in particular, but you wouldn't want to make them angry. And what does make them angry is bacteria. Then the bacteria is showered in acid, at least after the bacteria has been eaten. The thing is, a macrophage can only devour about 100 bacteria, and afterwards it has to call for reinforcements. Since the population of the bacteria is rapidly increasing, they need reinforcements quick. A new soldier known as a neutrophil picks up the signals that macrophages are sending and immediately rushes to the scene. The best way to describe a neutrophil is like a chimp with a machine gun. Neutrophils are these intense warriors that only live to kill. In fact, they only kill themselves after just a few hours to make sure they don't do too much damage to yourself. This process is known as apoptosis, and it's also used to save minerals. To make them even more deadly, neutrophils also vomit toxic acids that can kill bacteria, but it also destroys some of your own cells as well. But neutrophils don't really care about collateral damage. Thankfully, the immune system built a safety switch, which is killing them after just a few hours, like I said. While working together, macrophages and neutrophils can devour any enemy. As well as that, your blood vessels open up and leak a bit more. This causes a lot of fluids to go through your blood. This is the swelling, redness, and warmth you feel. These fluids are filled with quadrillions of complement proteins. Proteins are just these mini puzzle pieces that float around in your world. In this mini world, whatever you can and can't do depends on your shape. They have 3 basic jobs: crippling, activating, and ripping bacteria. They literally latch onto bacteria and make their insides spill out. This also makes it easier for phagocytes like macrophages to latch onto them. Some proteins act like distress flares. They also activate the immune system, and the more that they meet, the better. One protein activates another, then another, then another, a bit like a bunch of matches igniting. In total, there are 30 proteins involved. So yeah, you could say there's a war going on inside you right now, but sometimes your immune system fails. And that is when the octopus comes in.